So this is from Rep. Marjorie Taylor Greene. Well, that's like winning the lottery. And to add to it, the cap had already been met for the entire year back in July. She's talking about H-1B visas. We need to stop companies from needlessly firing thousands of Americans and replacing them with H-1Bs, essentially foreigners. That's not essentially, it's exactly what they are. And we need to incentivize our college students to fill the gaps where we do have critical shortages, doctors and nurses, for example. So the H-1B cap release date, this was back on July 18th of 25. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services have received enough petitions to reach the congressionally mandated 65,000 H-1B visa regular cap and the 20,000 H-1B visa U.S. advanced degree exemption, known as the master's cap, for fiscal year 2026. We will continue to accept and process petitions that are otherwise exempt from the cap. Petitions filed for current H-1B workers who have been counted previously against the cap and who still retain their cap number are exempt from the FY 2026 H-1B cap. We will continue to accept and process petitions filed to extend the amount of time a current H-1B worker may remain in the United States, also change the terms of employment for current H-1B workers, also allow current H-1B workers to change employers, and allow current H-1B workers to work concurrently in additional H-1B positions. U.S. businesses use the H-1B program to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations. We encourage H-1B petitioners to subscribe to receive H-1B cap season email updates by visiting the H-1B cap season page. So I was trying to rack my brain to remember a few days ago what it was that they used, or what it was called when they reach out to the world. If we have a shortage on something like doctors or nurses, for example, and we don't have enough Americans to fill those positions, what is that program called when we reach out to the rest of the world and we invite immigrants to come in and take those jobs? That's what it is, the H-1B. H-1B visa. All right, anyway, she was replying to Marjorie Taylor Greene. She was replying to Shane Burns. One parent on H-1B can bring a family of 15 or more. All of them can work and can go to school, all subsidized by the taxes of the family that lost the job they replaced. How do you like that? Absolutely crazy. Especially with all these students that are about to graduate from college, and a lot of the students who just graduated from high school, they're going into college this year. A lot of them aren't going to find a job when they get out of college. Now, some of it is their fault for not knowing exactly what they're going to go into before they start college. That's a major problem. Too many students, they just go to college because they're told to go, or they just believe that's just the next step in being an adult now that you graduated high school. But you got to know exactly what you're going to go there for, because otherwise you're wasting your time and you're wasting an insane amount of money.